I didn't know they. So whatchamacallit is on here.
What?
Oh, I went down in there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at that. Right now, I am just cleaning out my refrigerator. But lucky for me, that's hers. She don't have much left. I have a little bit of leftovers from where we went to the Mexican restaurant yesterday. Oh my God, it was so good. We got that Pollo Loco, and you know what? I recreated that here, and I need to give you guys that recipe, but you know, this stuff is a bomb. I gotta get this food in the microwave. Look at that. It doesn't look too appetizing, but oh my God. Smell in your mouth, delicious. So I'm gonna eat the rest of that, and then I have to pick Olivia up today. She is in band. They've had band practice all week, and she leaves Sunday and goes to band camp. Y'all know how depressed I get when she goes on when she goes to band camp. She's gonna be gone a week, so I'm gonna be, I don't even want to think about it. But we went to Walmart yesterday. I was gonna do a little vlogging yesterday at Walmart, but gosh, they have their music so loud, and it's like, wait a minute, did I leave the right one? I don't want all those chips. Maybe I have one now. But it is, it's like super loud. Like, and then we went to this Mexican restaurant called El Cazadora, something like that. And that place is amazing. Girl. That made me happy. But what I think I'm going to do today is I've got that heating up. I have to pick her up around 1. I need to vacuum. I need to clean a little bit. I haven't really cleaned any house in like 2 years, but I need to get cleaned. I might go to my local farmer's market and pick up some green beans, because I've seen a lot of questions on how to cook homemade green beans. Or not homemade, I mean, you know what I'm saying, fresh green beans. You know, a lot of people don't really know the technique to cook those, and if you haven't cooked fresh green beans, that was me scooting my camera back, that wasn't anything else now. If you haven't cooked fresh green beans, then you haven't lived, I'm telling you. But I think I'm gonna go down to my local farmer's market. Last year, I posted a video of our local farmer's market. Thought I was gonna post a video of it, and for some reason, I don't know what happened to the section that I had filmed it. It is a beautiful, beautiful farmer's market. They have so much stuff, and they were kind enough to let me film while I was in there. And I don't know if I deleted it or what, but I didn't get to show you the gist of it. So if I get down there today, because I'm going to pick me up some half runners, because I definitely want to be munching on those this weekend. I want me a big old pot of half runner beans. But I'm going to do a video on how to cook those. They're so easy to make. And like I said, I've got a lot of questions on that, of how you cook, you know, fresh green beans. They are so supple. Let's see if this is warm enough. I don't care if it is or if it isn't. I'm eating it. Don't look at my house. Look at that. Can you see that? Like I said, it looks like a big pile of puke, but I'm telling you what, this stuff is so good. See, it's so good. It's so good, Miss Daisy's, wasn't it? Don't look at my house. Don't look at my house. I'm telling you. Been getting lazy lately. Look at that. The chicken. See how they do the chicken? This stuff is so good. Mmm. Just like a little explosion in your mouth. Wow. Mmm, I love it. And they have this stuff, like a queso dip. Mmm. It smack your mama delicious. Had my mama been there, I would have smacked her. I would have smacked her right across her lips. I'm gonna eat this like my lunch, I guess. My breakfast, lunch, whatever. Mmm. I gotta tell you something. Yesterday on our way to Walmart, I gotta chew this. Because we had to go there and get Olivia stuff for band camp. You know, all the snacks and toiletries and everything like that. I went through another area that was totally devastated by the tornado. And I got some really good footage on that. And I can't believe it's what, been 6 weeks or more. And it's still unbelievable. And I'm going to add that footage in with this video. You know, I almost hate to do it because the loss is just, it's tremendous. It's unbelievable. I just can't even tell you how terrible it was. But the reason I want to show you is just because, you know, you never know when your life's going to change. And, I mean, it could change at any moment. So, you know, praise God for, you know, always protecting, you know, whatever you have. And just know that, you know, things could happen in an instant. In an instant, I tell you. But I'm going to include some of that footage here. I hope you enjoyed the 4th of July footage. I didn't really get a whole lot of it. I wanted to get more than I did. But I wasn't able to. I was like super busy. And I did include some of the footage from the last big get-together we had for the 4th of July, which we called it the Armageddon. I'm telling you what, this fireworks went crazy, and that was so much fun. But my big chicken butt was in the house screaming. I don't like them anyway. I'm scared of them. But it is what it is, right? I am going to eat my lunch. Then I have to head off to the DMV. To the DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles. Got to get some tags. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. This is what it looks like right across from my house. Look at all that beautiful corn. This is what I get to see every morning. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Beautiful. Excited. Here it is. Here's my little melon farm. Cantaloupes, milk. They have milk here? We're gonna get some goodies. I can't wait. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that freshness. Look at that. Up here. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see what they have. They even have mums. They have mums. Getting some of the peaches. Look at those. Don't they look so yummy? Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful those are. Look at those beautiful peaches. We're gonna get some peaches. And then, like, they also have noodles and cookies, tomatoes. They got all kinds of different tomatoes. We got yellow ones and green ones. They got half-runner beans. Look at that. have a quote Jamaica something on my green beans. Both heads of cabbage. And of course, you know I gotta have me a cantaloupe. Gotta get me a big old cantaloupe. You gotta feel for softness for brightness there. I will take this one. Look at all that. They've got fresh garlic. Look at all the corn that they've got. They got lots of corn. Alright, so I am back from our local farmer's market and I am absolutely tickled to death with the stuff that I got. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of the little farmer's market. It is absolutely phenomenal. They have everything from canned goods to jellies to pies, all kinds of fruits and vegetables. Something going on over there. Well, I did stop at the store and got me some jaw bacon for my green beans. You have to have jaw bacon for that. That's what we were raised on. But I got this big old cantaloupe. And it smells perfect. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it get nice and cold. And I'm going to cut it. I got a little over 2 pounds of the half runner green beans, and these are perfect. I'm going to string them later on my back porch. Look at that, how full they are. That's what my jaw bacon's for. And I got some beautiful tomatoes. Look at those. Pretty. I got a yellow one. I should have got some green ones to fry, but I didn't. Look at that. That's good. I'll tell you, all you need just to wash this baby off and a salt shaker. That is it. I got some yellow squash, the crooked neck little yellow squash. I got the smaller ones. I picked the smaller ones out because they're better. I got 2 of these. I'm so excited. That's what I'm gonna cook for dinner tonight. Just some squash, and I'll probably cut me up some cucumbers and tomatoes, and that's gonna be my dinner, guys. And I got some of these little baby cucumbers. They are so good. I got, let's see, probably about 6 or 7 of those. 2 of the squash, 3 tomatoes, about 2 pounds of beans. The beans were a little expensive. I think they were, they might have been like $3 or $4 a pound. That's quite a bit, but so worth it. And then I got this container of peaches. They have the best peaches. I'm telling you what, you just wash these peaches off. You just hold it in hand and just eat. Just let that peach juice just run down your arm. Ain't nothing like the summer, the flavors of summer. You feel me? Look at this. If you could smell these, oh my gosh, they're so delicious. So good. I love them. And what I like about going there is they give you a box just to stick all your stuff in. It's like, you want a box? I'm like, yeah, sure. But I can't wait. This is what I'm having for dinner tonight. I'm not going to cook the green beans tonight because I'm going to do a recipe for you guys. Not a recipe. I'm going to show you how to cook, you know, green beans. Because like I said, there's some people who have questioned how to cook fresh green beans, half runners. So I'm, you know, they're like, it's my first time. I really don't know what to do. So I just stuck my finger in one of them peaches. So I guess I'm going to have to eat it. But yeah, a little jaw bacon. Some salt, onion, go a long way, those green beans, but I'm going to get those shut because I'm definitely going to cook those this weekend. I'll give you the recipe for that. I'm going to do a video on that. Super simple, super easy, super delicious. But that's all I've got for you today. I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog, short vlog that I've created here, and I hope you enjoy the little trip to the my little town market, food, whatever you call it, but I hope you like it. And you know I love you guys so very much, and I appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It's somewhere up here, down there. I don't know where it's at. Make sure you hit it so you can be notified of all my videos, because I don't want you to miss not one of them. Not one of them. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.